Alright, buddy, making a video real quick for you. There's your box. We'll start out looking at these. I'll drip them out for you. Should fit for you now. Rewired your fans. Checked everything out. Everything checks good. You had a bad connection on the ground, but you say I'm running the connectors and everything now, just to be sure. I redid all them. Alright, straight through SWR. Worldwide 0, 1, 2. There's my radio going through, Hello, worldwide, donkey stomp, worldwide. Turn him on, radio drive, input tune. Hello, audio. Nearly no SWR whatsoever. The same as none. Hello. I mean, just almost none. Here's your output. Worldwide, radio drive. 1189. I'm gonna kick my little driver on, the 2-pill. I think we should do real quick. This just show you she's all back up and working. 2500 pp. Just slam it. Worldwide, right over in the corner. This is a little 2-pill driving. That's it. That's hello audio. Worldwide. So you say she's up and going. Somebody quick video. Get her back out to you, bud. Appreciate you. Catch you later. Your friend Antennas there on that business. Bye bye.